of Instruction Committee, member of CBSE Observer. I am Puneet Singh. I am a principal of LBS Memorial Convent Public School, and I welcome you on behalf of our managing committee, our teachers, our staff member, and of here whole local citizen. Now, first I want to show you this our school board. This is our school board. Here is the name our school, and after that you may see the mission and the vision of our school. Amit sir, please take. This is our Amit sir here. This is our main entry gate, school entry gate. Amit sir, take from there. Now let's look ahead inside from the gate. Please come on, sir. Amit sir. Thank you. Next, this is the main area, entry area. Main entry area. Amit sir, please take the view of full building from here. Amit sir, from here, take the full video of school building. Come forward. From here, Amit sir, from here take the all full view of the building. From here, yes. This is our main building, school building. Next we'll move in the ground, on the ground. Please come, sir. Come with me. From this way we will go on ground. Come, sir. Here is our school ground. It is our school. It is our main school ground. Amit sir, take the view from there. All classes students, they used to play in this ground. Amit sir, come on the ground, please. These are our 4 houses flag: red house, yellow house, green house, and blue house. So these are the flag, our 4 houses. Amit sir, take the, yes, good. Okay, so first we will start from class first. There is a class first, Amit sir. From there we will start about our classroom. Please come, sir. It is our class first. Amit sir, please. It is our class first. Look from inside, please. It is our class first. Next, we will move in class second. Here is class second. From main gate we will enter. Here is class second. Let me take the look. Okay. Next is the class for third. Come sir. Take from there. Here. Come inside. Here is class third. Come from this way. Next we'll move in class fourth. Here is class fourth. Sir, please come. Here is class fourth. Come from this. Next, we will go in class 5. Here is class 5. Amit sir, please come inside. Here is the drum for the assembly, and here is the podium. This is the for the small kids for newspaper. And sir, please. Next, we will go in the reception area. Come, sir. Amit sir, please. From here, Amit sir, show this area. This is the RS reception. Have a look from inside, please. Come. Come. I want to introduce about her. She is Mrs. Soni Singh. She is a special educator in our school, and she is Manju Kashyap. She is the receptionist in our school, and this is our reception area. Next, Amit sir, take the video. Next, we will go in account office. Here is our account office. From here, Amit sir, take one. From here, so come inside. Here is our account office. This is our biometric. Amit sir, come inside. Here is the biometric machine, attendance system for all staff members. Next, we will go in class 6. Have you taken video from? Okay. Next, we will go in class 6. This is class 6. Next. Now, from here, our lab, science lab has now started. From first, we will go in chemistry lab. Amit sir, please follow me and come in the chemistry lab. This is the chemistry lab. Here is the main gate of chemistry lab. And Amit sir, please come and take the video from inside. Take video from here only, and after that. Okay, sir. Please explain. Sir will explain something. We have things in the chemistry lab. Sir will explain.
Good morning, ma'am. I am chemistry teacher. I am explaining here some chemistry lab apparatus, and now we can see this is a Bureau stand, and now we can see here this is a wash bottle, and next here this is a burner, and see this and this is a wash bottle. Now we can see this is a test tube stand, and this is a test tube. and here presented in test tube folder. Now in teacher, this is beaker and
Okay,
here
sir.
we
Move forward.
quantum flux. Thank you.
From here, take a one look more, Amit. So this is our chemistry lab. It's a chemistry lab. Now next we will go in, Mr. Now next we will go in, next lab is physics. Mr. Come from here. From main gate we will enter. Here is the physics lab. Mr. From take the look from here. From there. It is our physics lab. We'll have some look from inside. Please come, sir. Take video from here. Come.
Good morning, sir or ma'am. This is our physics lab. Many type of the electrical and non-electrical instruments is here. I want to explain about it. This is a spring balance, and this is the magnetic compass, and this is the Daniel and Lagrange cell, and this is the chemical balance. A meter and voltmeter is available here, and this is the conductor diode, and this is the battery eliminators, and this is the resistance box, and this is the marbles, and convex and concave type of the lens and mirror is here, and this is the lens and mirror stand. This is the meter gauge, and this is the we can say this is the one. This is the base where the stand can here.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for explaining it. Next, we will move in the next lab. Amit sir, have you taken the video? Thank you, sir. Come, sir, Amit sir, please. Next, we will go in the biology lab. From main gate, we will enter. It is our biology lab. Mr. Take video from here. Come. We have things for the biology lab. Come, sir. So it is our biology lab. Now next we will move in the next class. That is that next library. Next class it is. It is the class 7th. Amit sir. It is the class 7th. Come. Here is the class 7th. Next we will move in. Next is the indoor game. Amit sir, come inside. This is the indoor game room. Take a look from there. Indoor game. Students, all kids, all ages of students, they used to play indoor games. We have some material. We have chess, carom, badminton, football, ludo, and cricket items, cricket materials for the playing cricket. Everything we have. There is some also things for the long jump. Okay, next. Have you taken video? Come. Now we will move upstairs. Please come, sir. We will go upstairs. It is our stairs. This is our computer lab. Please come. Here is the computer lab. Mr. Take a look from there and from also. This is our computer lab. Come next class. It is class 8. It is class 8. Come inside. Come from this side. Next we will go in class 9th A. Here is class 9th A. Amit sir, come. Here is 9th A. Next we will go in class 9th B. Please come inside, sir. It is a class 9th B. Next. Next class is 10th A. Here is the 10th A. Next we will go in the library. Before that, library will go in our office, principal office. Come, sir. It is my office, principal office. Come. Next we will go in library. Sir is the librarian. Sir, please explain about the library something. Come forward. Yes.
Good morning, sir. This is the school's library, and I am the librarian Pankaj Mani. In this library, there are a variety of materials like the reference, the reserves, and the course books. The reference materials includes the dictionaries, periodicals, chronicles, encyclopedias, and even atlases. And the reserve book includes the novels, biographies, autobiographies, and also the books on Indian economics, politics, science, and society and culture. And the course books include the NCERT books from 1st standard to 11th standard, and we are also supposed to increase the books of 12th standard of all NCERT books. This is all about the library.
Thank you, sir. Amish, have you taken the video? Great. Next, take from this side you have taken. Come.
Sir, remaining time only 3 minutes.
Next we have a now this is a notice board. Now you may see we have did lots of activities for session 2019 and 20, mock parliament, educational tour for Heritage Club, 15 August celebrations, rally, Swachhata Abhiyan rally, and investor ceremony, the many kinds of competitions, Rangoli competitions, Olympiads, and special assemblies on the various kinds of occasions, Olympiads. So everything we did for session 2019 and 20, and nowadays we have given information to our student about the notification for Terry Green Olympiad. Next we will go in class 10th B. Here is class 10th B. B. Next we will go in here is the backend class for class 11th. Here is the lab, composite math lab. Amit sir, come inside. Here is the composite math lab. Amit sir, take the video from there. Abacus, 10 gram, the circle, how many degree, this degree, many kinds of shapes, triangles, rhombus, parallelogram, and these are the geometrical things for using for teachers, that is the scale, set square, divider, protector, everything we have in the math lab. Mr. Take the video from there. From here, if you take the video, it will come. Next we will go. This is the backend class for class 11th. Now I want to show you the school main corridor. It is our first floor corridor. Amit sir, please take video from here. Again, sorry, I will go in the again on the downstairs. It is on ground floor for girls washroom, boys washrooms, dispensary, canteen. Sir, please follow me. This newspaper stand for the senior kids. Newspaper stand. In the morning time they used to read the newspaper. Come, sir. From here I want to start. This is the infirmary room for the student. Come inside. Hamid sir, take the look from there. Okay, come. This is our infirmary room. Next, this is the canteen. Since this pandemic, it is closed now. It is a staff toilet for only using staff members. This is a staff washroom. Come, sir. This is our drinking water zone for the boys. Here, take the video, sir. For boys, it is here. This sink for the boys for hand wash. Here is the washroom. Come, sir. Like the video. Okay, next we will move drinking water for girls. This is this area for the drinking water girls area. This is the kids playing ground section. This is the kids playing sections. Here is a lots of things we have, and kids used to play here. Take the video, Mr. Now, next we will go in the washroom of girls. This washroom for the girls. And here is the area for the washroom for girls. Now I want to show you a staff room. That is again a school name is here. LBS Convent Public School. Here is a store room. I want to show you the staff room for teachers. Take the look from inside. Again, I mean, take ground from here. This is our main ground. Again, I want to show you. Again, show the school building. Next, it is again our main entry gate. So, now come. So again, this is the school board. Thank you to all members of inspection committee and the CBSE observer. This was about our school. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.